A very good morning, all of you. Today, I am going to present my computer network subject seminar topic, that is channelization. Let us see what is channelization first. The primary protocols in the channelization is first one is frequency division multiple access protocol, that is also called FDMA. By dividing the channel into bandwidth, here, the available bandwidth is divided into the frequency bands. Each band is received from a specific station and belongs to the station all the time. Here, the available bandwidth of a particular station is divided into frequencies, and that is belongs to that station only. Each station also having a bus pass filter to confine the transmitted frequencies. To prevent the station interference, it allocates the allocated bands are separated from one to the another by a guard bands. So let channelization is a multiple axis method in which the available bandwidth of the link is shared into the time, frequency, or through code among the different stations. The main motto of the channelization is to avoid the collisions. This allows multiple stations to access the network through simultaneously, improving efficiency and reducing the interference. Channelization is a multiple access method. In this method, the available bandwidth is divided into time, frequency, and code among the different stations. Suppose if there is a two stations, their available bandwidth is divided into frequency, code, or time. Let us see what are the primary protocols in this channelization. Let's see next slide. Here, user 1, the frequency here highlighted in the pink color, that is the frequency of the user 1 channel, and user 2 channel is highlighted in some yellow orange color, that is the frequency of the user 2, and user 3 is highlighted in this green color. User 4 is this in yellow color. All these frequencies are shared to a common channel called the this channel, and there is no collision between these channels because there is a space between user 1 band and user 2 band, that is called guard band. This band prevents the collision between the user frequency band 1 and the user frequency band 2. If user 1 is sending any data, then user band 1 that will receive and process it. That is the functioning of this frequency division multiple axis channelization, that is FDMA. In the FDMA, available bandwidth of the common channel is divided into bands and separated by the guard band. Here, available bandwidth is separated into bands like user band 1, user band 2, user band 3, user band 4, and each is separated by the guard bands. Our next protocol is the definition of our next protocol is time division multiple access protocol, that is also called the TDMA. The stations share the bandwidth at the channel in time. In the above FDMA, the channel is the in between the stations a frequency is divided and they are shared with a common channel. Here, in the time division multiple access protocol, different time slots, each user signal into a is divided into a user 1 signal, user 2 signal, user 3 4, their signal is divided into a specific time slots. In the time slots only, the technique enables numerous users to share the use same frequency channel. That let us see in the diagram presentation. Um, in TDMA, the bandwidth is just one channel, that is time shared between different channels. Bandwidth is bandwidth is just one channel and time shared between the different channels in this TDMA. Each station is allocated at a time slots during which with it sends the data. Each station transmits its data assigned in user 1 transmits its data in allocated time slot only. Um, each station needs to know the beginning of its slot and the location of its slot. Each station, that is each user, uh, should know when its time slot is beginning and the location of the time slot. Synchronization is normally accomplished by having some synchronization bits, normally referred as a preamble bits or beginning of each slot. That is only telling each slot of beginning slot should be known to all the users who are sending the data, and they should send the data only when the time is when the time slot is allocated only. That is a time division multiple access protocol. Next one is code division multiple access protocol. In CDMA, one channel carries all the transmissions simultaneously. A channelization protocol that allows multiple users to transmit the data simultaneously over the same communication channel using the unique spreading codes to differentiate the signal. Each user data is multiplied by a unique orthogonal code, high bandwidth signal creating the high bandwidth signal um, creating high bandwidth signal coded signal on the same channel. At the receiver, the same unique code is used to extract the original data from the combined signal, enabling the increasing capacity. Here in the CDMA, uh, there is a specific code like password between the channel station 1 and station 2. Here, the code is communicated between each channel. Here, there is a code that is some code between to communicate between the different channels. Okay. Next, these are three protocols in the channelization, that is FDMA, TDMA, and CDMA. Code division, frequency division, time division. In the frequency division, the conclusion of the frequency division is the available bandwidth is in the form of frequencies. So here four stations are connected to a common channel. If the station 1 want to share the data, then the frequency bandwidth of the station 1 is activated. If the station 2 is want to share the data, then frequency 2, the frequency of the station 2 is bandwidth is activated and that can share the data. This is a working of the frequency division multiple access protocol. In the time division multiple access, here the available bandwidth is in the form of time slots. God band time division into the, and there is also a God band in the time division multiple access protocol, and that God band is between the one time slot and the channel 2 time slot to avoid the collisions. In CDMA, the code common channel, there is a here the four users, user 1, user 2, user 3, and they share the data through the common channel, and here some code between the two channels to communicate with each other. Thank you.